Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aditya and today I would be discussing few questions on definite series. So the first question is that we have 100 multiplied by 1 divided by 1 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2 into 3 plus 1 divided by 3 into 4 plus so on till 1 divided by 99 into 100. As we can see that this sum is a definite series because the last term is 1 by 99 into 100. So for solving such a type of series, we would basically make use of sigma notation, general term and the Vn method. So for this, we can see that the general term is 1 divided by n into n plus 1. Why? Because if the value of n is equal to 1, we would get our first term, that is 1 divided by 1 into 1 plus 1, that is 2. And if the value of n is equal to 2, we would get our second term, that is 1 divided by 2 into 2 plus 1, that is 3. Next, we see that if the value of n is equal to 99, we would get our last term, that is 1 divided by 99 into 100. So I would basically convert this general term into sigma notation. Well, how? Over here, I would write sigma, and over here, I would write n is equal to 1 to 99. Why 99? Because if I'm replacing the value of n with 99, I would get my last term, 1 by 99 into 99 plus 1, that is 100. So over here, I would basically convert this into r is equal to 1 into 99, 1 divided by r into r plus 1, because we generally denote the general term by r, not by n, because n is generally used for representing the last term. So over here, to solve this series, basically we need to simplify this general term. Well, how to simplify this? We will use the help of partial fractions. So I would basically convert this into r is equal to 1 to 99. I can write 1 as r plus 1 minus r divided by r into r plus 1, which on further simplification gives us r is equal to 1 over here 99, r is equal to 99, and over here we can write this as r plus 1 divided by r into r plus 1, just separating these fractions, minus r divided by r into r plus 1. So we can see that over here r plus 1 cancels out, similarly r and r over here. So I can write this as sigma r is equal to 1 to r is equal to 99, 1 by r minus 1 by r plus 1. Now, the Vn method is basically used to solve this type of series after partial fractions. So, Vn method states that if your expression inside the sigma notation is of the form Vr minus 1, r is basically the notation for general term, the result of that expression would be Vn minus V0. Vn meaning to replace this Vr with the value of n, and V0 meaning to replace the value of r with 0 in the equation of Vr. Now, we can see that this is actually of the format Vr minus Vr plus 1. So we will take the minus sign outside so that it converts to the form of Vr minus 1. So if I'm taking the minus sign outside, I would get minus sigma r is equal to 1 to r is equal to 99. This will become 1 by r plus 1 minus 1 by r. So now I can see that this is of the form Vr minus 1. Why? Because if I am considering r plus 1 as my VR, then if I'm replacing r with r minus 1 in this equation, that is, if I'm replacing r with r minus 1, I would get 1 by r minus 1 plus 1, then I would get 1 by r. So I can say that this is of the format VR minus 1, because my VR is basically over here 1 by r plus 1, and if I am replacing the value of r with r minus 1, I would get 1 by r. So I can say that VR over here is 1 by r plus 1. Hence, VR minus 1 would be 1 by r. So actually the sum of series, this should be Vn minus V0. So we know that over here n is basically 99, that is the last term of this over here, that is 1 by 99 into 100. So I would write the simplified equation as, and not to forget the minus sign over here. So I would write this as minus Vn minus V0, which would give us V0 minus Vn. And to find the value of V0, we will replace the value of R with 0 in this equation. So V0 would basically be equal to 1 divided by 0 plus 1, that is 1. And to find the value of Vn, we would replace R with n, and the value of n is 99. So because this 99 is the final limit of this sigma notation, so this V99 or Vn would give us the value 1 by 100. So this thing is actually equal to V0 minus V99 in this case, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 100, which is equal to 99 by 100. And we have, so this 99 by 100 is basically the sum of this series. After that we have again 100 multiplied to the sum of this series. So we'll get, that is, we'll get 100 into 99 divided by 100. So the answer to this question fetches us 99. So answer to this question is 99. Thanks for watching.